Want to watch YouTube TV on your Nvidia Shield? Setting it up is easy. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of installing YouTube TV on your Nvidia Shield device and getting it up and running. Step 1. Check compatibility. White heavy checkmark makes sure your Nvidia Shield is updated to the latest version of Android TV. White heavy checkmark ensure that your Nvidia Shield is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Install YouTube TV on Nvidia Shield. Keycap 1. Go to the home screen of your Nvidia Shield. Keycap 2. Open the Google Play Store from the main menu. Keycap 3. In the search bar, type YouTube TV and select the app. Keycap 4. Click on Install to download and install the app. Keycap 5. Once installed, open the YouTube TV app from the Apps section or home screen. Step 3. Sign into YouTube TV. Keycap 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your Nvidia Shield. Keycap 2. Select Sign In from the main menu. Keycap 3. On your mobile device or computer, go to youtube.com/start. Keycap 4. Enter the activation code displayed on your Nvidia Shield. Keycap 5. Log in with your Google account linked to YouTube TV. Step 4. Explore YouTube TV features. Once logged in, you can white heavy checkmark browse through live TV channels and on-demand content. White heavy checkmark watch your DVR recordings directly on the device. White heavy checkmark use the voice search feature with the Nvidia Shield's Google Assistant support. White heavy checkmark adjust the video quality settings to optimize your viewing experience. Step 5. Troubleshooting and AMP optimization. Small blue diamond app not working? Try restarting your Nvidia Shield or reinstalling the app. Small blue diamond slow streaming? Make sure your device is connected to a high-speed Wi-Fi connection. Small blue diamond no sound or video issues? Try adjusting the audio and video settings in your Nvidia Shield settings menu. Bonus tip: for a more seamless experience, consider using a wired Ethernet connection for improved stability and faster streaming. Enjoy YouTube TV on your Nvidia Shield with ease. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.